Okay, so this one, I want to just go through the graphing of it. And I think it's a good idea to graph these things to see them. And by the way, you can do that for all the other problems too. And the reason I'm doing it for this over here, it's often misunderstood. And we're doing this problem over here. And the claim is, I'm making a claim that this here, the secant of the arc sine of x, is equivalent to this expression over here, which is 1 over the root of 1 minus x squared. And that's only true for the x that are between minus 1 and 1, not including those numbers. And of course, that's specified over here. So what I want to do is go to a graphing application, and you're free to use whatever application you want. And I want to go through that with you. All right, so let me just turn these off for a second. So what I do is I graph one thing at a time. So this is the graph of, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And you can blow this up or shrink, whatever you want to do. And then I graph the secant of the arc sine. And if you notice, it sits right on top of it. All right. Now, certainly, looking visually is kind of convincing. I hope it's convincing anyway, that we're getting the same curve. I also said that this only occurs between minus 1 and 1 for the x. So I put some asymptotes in there for you. And what I want to do is I want to start zooming out. All right. And certainly as you zoom out, you notice that this curve becomes asymptotic with those two vertical asymptotes, plus or minus 1. All right. And this is important. You start to realize what we're doing is visualizing what we may or may not understand about the domain and range of these problems over here. Thank you.